Dear students, good morning. Myself, Naveenkumar, working as assistant professor in the Department of AADS at Sri Shanmuga College of Engineering and Technology. Today, we are going to discuss about what is C programming. In that, we are going to see basics of C programmings. So first is problem solving concepts. First of all, we have to think what is problem. So problem means nothing but everywhere we are having some problems. So in that concept, we are giving some solution to some particular problems. We can take it as a small problems or complex problem, whatever it may be. We are giving some particular solution to that problems. So in that, now we are going to discuss about what is algorithm, what is pseudocodes, what define programs, flowcharts. So with the help of these things, we are going to solve a particular programs. So first thing is algorithm. So everyone know, because we have already from our junior class onwards, we know about that what is algorithm. So it gives particular solution to a problem with the help of some sequence of steps. So with the help of this that steps, we can able to identify a solution for a specific problem. So in that, I have given sample as algorithm to add two numbers. Two numbers means we are going to add particular based on your input, we are going to add the two number. So in that algorithm means, so first step is starting your program. That is the first step. So second step is, because we are going to add two numbers, so we are getting two, giving two variable, so number one and number two. So we need to get value from the user to perform that particular addition operation. So after getting value, now we are doing perform operation and storing in that particular result in the third variable. So after performing addition operation, we are displaying the result. That is the fourth step. So finally, after completing these are all the steps, we are terminating the program with the help of stop. So these are all the finite number of steps to give particular solution to a given problem. That is algorithm. So based on your algorithm, we can able to provide particular solution to a given problem. So that is one by one we will do. So next is pseudocode. So pseudocode is same as algorithm, but it gives human readable, that is representation of an algorithm. So we have given a written statement like with the help of your characters, we have written as an algorithm. So with the help of that algorithm, we are giving particular structure for that program, that is pseudocode. So it means that human readable representation, because in all the program having particular roles, but here with the help of pseudocode, your writing program is without having any strict rules, but we will follow syntax but don't have any strict rules here. So I have given sample example. So all the pseudocodes must begin with must start with begin. When you are terminating, you have to give end. So here you check, I begin, after begin I have given input number 1 and 2, and the next step I am adding those two, number 1 and 2, storing that result in sum. So next, check output. So finally I'm printing, because that output number 1 and number 2, after adding that output will be stored in this sum value. So sum variable, now I'm printing that sum. So after printing, you are terminating that program. So with the help of in, this is pseudocode. So next is flowchart. So everyone know that. So flowchart is used to giving a symbol representation for your algorithm, because we have written step by step procedure. So we are giving that algorithm as a symbolic representation. So these are all the flowchart symbols available in our problem solving concepts. First one is ellipse. So this ellipse is used to perform start and end operation. So it will act as a terminator. So when you are starting your program, how to use this ellipse. Well, after when you are terminating your program, how to use this. So start and end will be used with by this oval ellipse. So next is rectangle. So rectangle means that process. So in between we are doing process to do particular operation. So this is used to, so give you can able to give your steps, task operation the like. So when you are doing addition operation means how to give that particular operations in this rectangle. So next is your diamond. So diamond is used specially for decision making. So when you are doing some calculation, we will find some yes or no option. During that time, we will use this diamond. So next is parallelogram. So parallelogram is used for specifically for input and output operation. So when you are giving input, you can use this. So output printing statement also, we will use this particular thing. So next is arrow. Arrow is used for flow direction. So from where to where it moves, that one. So next is circle. Circle is act as a connector. So when you are drawing a flow chart, it creates a connection between one page to another page or one things to another thing. So next is your rectangle with double lines. Here we will use when we are using elsewhere as a subroutines. So writing a program, it has some subroutine means we have to use this rectangle with double lines. So next, it is the example for adding two numbers. You check. So I have informed that first step is, so when you are starting your program, you have to use ellipse and ending by your program by using ellipse. So here you are getting a input as that is value from number 1 and 2 with the help of parallelogram. So operation performing we are using rectangle. You are print with that some value by using parallelogram. So next we are going to discuss about problem solving strategies. So in this first one is sequential. So sequential means we know that in a sequence or one after another. Here you check. So first step is start. After starting you have to read the value of particular variable. This is also a example for adding two numbers. So first I'm getting value of A, next value of B. After getting value of A and B, now I'm performing sum operation. So adding A plus B, storing that particular result in sum variable. So I'm printing that sum of two number with the help of sum. So for after completing that, I'm stopping. This is the sequential operation of a particular program. So next we are going to discuss about selection or condition. This also operation also comes under problem solving strategies. So first step, execute one after another. So here you check, it is the syntax. So if is your condition, if the condition is true, then it perform action 1. If the condition is false, it perform else operation, that is perform or action 2. This is the selection or conditional operation. First we will check the condition. If the condition is true, then it perform this action 1. If the condition is false, automatically it moves to else operation, it will perform option 2. So check. I have given example. First step, it will start the program. Next, reading a variable and reading variable. Now I am checking condition A is greater than B. If the condition is true, where it will move? It will print A, that is move to step 5. If the condition is false, it directly moves to step 6, that is print B is greater. After completing this operation, we will stop the program. So repeating control flow. So it is until your condition becomes true, it will repeat again and again. So that is the repeat condition is true. So repeat control flow. It repeats until when my condition becomes true. So see example for that. So initially I am here starting the program. Next reading value of n. Now I am initializing I value as 1. It will check. Now it's checking the condition I is less than n. That means if I value is less than n value means it go to which step? Step 5, that is it print I increase value 1 by 1, I value by 1. Then again it moves to step 4. So till it gets true, it moving this operation until gets true. So yeah, finally it will print stop.